Welcome to Cornwall. This is the view from our supermarket. Believe it or not, isn't it lovely? We've got the best supermarket in the whole of Britain. And this is a lovely little art gallery in our town. And look at the beautiful, unusual pottery. It's lovely. Cornwall Gallery. Absolutely beautiful pottery, beautiful, unusual pottery. And this building is just absolutely gorgeous. Obviously, it was in years and years and years ago, probably in the 1800s or early 1900s. It was a butcher's shop. And look, you've got those gorgeous original tiles with a cow on them. And this little cottage, little Cornish cottage, very small and very old, is right next door. Look at the old stone wall, isn't that beautiful? So I'm going to make some scones today. Well, they're sort of a little bit like a scone. And I'm going to take 8 ounces of self-raising flour on my antique scales. What I mean, 8 ounces is quite a lot, isn't it? There we go. There. 8 ounces. In it goes. There. I always put a kitchen towel down because the pan is copper. You don't want copper going out in there. Right, and 4 ounces of sugar. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use, I'm not sure, I was going to use honey, but it's a bit granulated, so anyway. So let's use the sugar. It's quicker and it's easier. 4 ounces of sugar. Pop that in there. Whoops-a-daisy. Lovely. And yeah, I don't like I've got gloves on. 4 ounces. I don't like the and you know, the flour going under my fingernails at all. Right, let's just make sure that's 4 ounces. Yeah, that is. There's your 4 ounces of that. So I've got my sugar and my flour and my butter in here. And this could take a while. So I've done it a bit different. I usually cream the butter and the sugar. This method is what usually is for pastry, but that's all right. We don't mind. I'll just right. Same difference. I'm just going to put some rolled oats in it as well. Oats. Don't need to weigh anything else. Whoops. And I'll put the cherries in. Very sticky. Very sticky. egg. I got egg and milk. Let's get the milk in. Right. Take that those off. And start putting my... This is my baking stone, and I think I put it in another video that I've done. This is a Welsh baking stone. It's cast iron, very, very, very heavy. It's so heavy that I can't lift it. My husband has to get it out for me. I can lift it, but you know, it's a bit dangerous. So, I've put some butter on the top. These are quite big actually, giant ones actually. Usually make a lot smaller than that. Right, that is that. So, it's on a gas hob, by the way. Let me get a spatula. Lovely. It's on a gas hob, and as I say, that's cast iron. I can hardly lift it. And we've got our nice scones going on. Now, I'm going to try. No, I'm not. I was going to try some of these scones on, believe it or not, in my, why not, let's do it. Let's do it. I'm going to try a couple, just out of interest, in my omelette maker. Look, I'll show you in a minute. Let me just get this out. Okay. But it'd be really handy for somebody who's just making for themselves, you know, for one person. So I'll switch the omelette maker on. Just makes two. And by the way, it makes gorgeous omelettes, gorgeous. So let's just, it may work, it may not. So I won't make very big ones. I think it'll work actually. Because I made some, tell you what I made. I made some olive bread in it. Look at olive bread. Olives, I put chives in it, and I might show you sometime. That is so easy. It's basically flour, milk. What else? Olives, chives, pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of olive oil. So they're in. Close the lid. A bit ouch. It's a bit unlevel, that. But anyway, never mind. So let's go back to this. I'll come back to that in a minute. Let's go back to my Welsh stone. This is just a way, because I've got this, this is just a way of doing it without an oven, you know, without using your oven. Now what I'll do here with this, look, I'll turn it off now and let them cook for a while in their own heat, because you can't regulate this thing. It's a one heat, you know, deal. It's a one heat deal, that. So you've got to just watch it, but it's perfectly, you know, it's perfectly good. And you don't have to get your big oven on just for, you know, just for these things. This here, that cooking like that in the omelette maker is a complete experiment. That is. This is not level. I'm going to leave them in there a little bit longer. Tastes good. Yeah, let's leave them a bit longer. Yeah, why not? Might even, when that cools down, I might put it on again. So I tried to make them smaller, but they're still big. Fairly big anyway. There you go. But still nice. There we go. And I've had the old thumbs up from my husband. There you go. So, there. Like a fruit pancake, aren't they? Right, like a fruit pancake. It's still quite big, actually. Whoops, a daisy. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and if you did, I will be over the moon if you subscribe to my channel today. And with that, I'll say bye for now, and as always, love from Cornwall.